Psalms chapter 6. O Lord, rebuke me not in thy anger, neither chasten me in thy hot displeasure. Have mercy upon me, O Lord, for I am weak. O Lord, heal me, for my bones are vexed. My soul is also sore vexed. But thou, O Lord, how long? Return, O Lord, deliver my soul. O save me for thy mercy's sake, for in death there is no remembrance of thee. In the grave, who shall give thee thanks? I am weary with my groaning. All the night make I my bed to swim. I water my couch with my tears. Mine eyes is consumed because of grief. It vexeth old because of all mine enemies. Depart from me, all ye workers of iniquity, for the Lord has heard the voice of my weeping. The Lord has heard my supplication. The Lord will receive my prayer. Let all my enemies be ashamed and so vexed. Let them return and be ashamed suddenly. That was Psalms chapter 6. So here I had a stop by at Kigali. I thought that I'll be sleeping on the bench like the way we see others are sleeping on the bench. We arrived after 10 p.m. But luckily for Rwanda Air, they booked us a hotel, not inside the airport, but they checked us into Rwanda and then they gave us transportation. We went to Grand Legacy, that's a 5-star hotel. Yes, we arrived there around almost 11 p.m. We had our separate rooms. As you can see, I'm looking here for my own room and I got assistance. Yes, a full bathroom, wardrobe, mini kitchen there for beverages, hot beverages, and it has a TV and it has a computer, mirror, yes, a king size bed for me only. I enjoyed myself there. This was God saying, I'm sorry, my daughter, because you couldn't go with your husband, but I will comfort you and put a big smile on you. So on my passport, I checked into Rwanda. I entered their country, and then in the morning, I checked out of Rwanda. Yes, I got a stamp as well. Not only that, by 11 p.m. we had a buffet and we decided to eat whatever that was there for us to eat. And then, because I was so overwhelmed, I became a motivational speaker. I was just talking and talking, and I didn't know what I was saying, but actually saying, you know what? In every bad thing that happens to you, God is always planning something good to wipe your tears away. Yes, please go to church tomorrow. It's Sunday. Stay blessed. Keep following me and check out my videos. Let's go to Nigeria tomorrow. Thank you.